Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make sets and collections for Flickr. So first you're going to log into Flickr with the TownePost account as normal. And then we're going to go up to You and select Organize. And then we're first going to go to Albums and Collections. And I've gone ahead and created individual collections for each of your publications. And this is just going to help us better find photos so that we won't have to be copying and pasting Flickr links onto each whiteboard. So the first thing that you're going to do, I'm going to use the common form as an example, is open up this common form collection. We're going to click the drop down menu and say add a new collection here. And you'll do this each month. So this is going to be a collection for this month's photos. We're going to name it 2014, the month, and then common form, just to reiterate the name of the publication. And you want to make sure that it ends up in the common form collection or whatever your publication will be. Select create, and then it will drop down. It will be inside of your publications folder. And then within this one, we're going to make another collection or a different collection for each of your stories. So each story will have its own album, and that will allow us to just be able to go to that album and see all of the photos for each story. So to do that, we're actually going to go back to our Flickr homepage and select Upload. And this should look fairly familiar to you if you've added photos to Flickr before. And so we're going to select Choose Photos and Videos and go to your photos wherever you keep them. And I'm just going to select this sailboat photo to use as an example. And something that we've been having a problem with is not being able to find photos through the search engine. And so one way that we can improve this is by naming our photos. And so I'm going to name it with the month, common form, or whatever your publication's name is, and then something that helps to describe the photo or the story that it is involved with. And so I'm just going to say sailing. And we want to put our captions in here as well. And so for this particular photo, since there's only one, I'm going to click add a description. And this is where you would put your caption. We're also going to add tags. And again, this will help improve our search engine. And so I'm just going to say sailing, Indianapolis, and whatever else, again, might help you find this photo later on. And then we're going to select Add to Albums and create a new album. And this will be an album that is for the entire story. And so you will want to name it whatever your story's name is on whiteboard. It should be the exact same title so that we can associate the two. And so I will say just coming up with a fake title there. You don't really need to add a description to that. Create the album and then make sure that it is checkmarked. It will do this automatically, but just double check that it's checkmarked, and that is where all of the photos that you've uploaded will go to for this particular album. And hit done. And then we're going to upload one photo, or however many photos you have. Double check that it is for public, that there are tags included, and that it is included in a set, and upload it to your photo stream. You'll see it shows up here. And then we're going to go back, now that our photos for that story have been uploaded, we're going to go back into You, select Organize, albums and collections again. And your new album should be in here along with all the other ones. And since this is running in the common form, I'm going to go back to this monthly collection or album that I created in the beginning, and I'm just going to drag my new album into that folder. So now you'll see common form, or whatever your publication is, the month with your publication's name, and then this individual collection, which will be for the entire story. And you can view that collection and those photos by selecting Open Collection Page. And so it will open here. All of the other albums that you have for your other stories will be in here as well. And this is a link that you'll be able to share if anyone's looking for those photos, and it will have all of your photos for that month in there, and then you can even go out to the TownePost Media Network, which will eventually have all of the photos for all of the publications. And again, this is just an easy way to optimize searching and to just make it a lot easier, not have to copy and paste Flickr links every month into the right boards, and you'll have kind of one place, one portal to go for all of the photos that you're looking for. Yeah.